Hello, Terry. This one's for all the mothers right there tonight. I grew up where the fields are green and endless, where your money's worth was who you had around. My mother taught me faith, respect, and kindness, and she helped me keep my feet firm on the ground. She said, go out where you wanna, keep your head above the water. Life's about the sacrifices made. If there's hurt or stormy weather, son, I hope you still remember that a mother's call is never far away. But you always made our house feel like a home. And although it wasn't smooth, sometimes I never told the truth. You always gave to me the love a mother should. I'm on a new stage of my journey. What's the point being in a hurry? Those fairy tales could soon be on their way. If there's hurt or stormy weather, son, I hope you still remember that a mother's call is never far away. There's lots of highs and lows that's yet to come. All the bumps along the road only make you strong. Keep the cards close to your chest and give nothing but the best. These simple words give me the strength to carry on. And although my youth is fading, my memories remaining, I carry with me words from long ago. If there's hurt or stormy weather, son, I hope you still remember that a mother's call is never far away. When there's hurt or stormy weather, oh, I always will remember that a mother's call is never far away. Thank you very much.